You remember, we got 5.2 using the geometry, we got 5.2 using the trigonometry, we got 5.2 using the parallelogram, we got 5.2 using the law of cosine, we got 5.2 using the law of sine, we got 5.2 using the distance formula. Now finally we got 5.2 using the Python. So hello everybody, I already showed you how to add the vector using the geometry, and then using the parallelogram, and then law of sine, law of cosine, and trigonometry. Now I'm going to show you, I also show you how to add the vector using distance formula. Now I'm going to show you how to add the vector using Python. Okay, so I'm going to click right here, arrow. All right, let's see let's run this. Wow, this one simple line creates an arrow. Isn't it awesome? So I'm going to do the same problem. Let's remind you the problem. I have two vectors. One is vector A, one is vector V. Vector A is 30 degree above the x-axis, and whose magnitude is 3 meters, and vector B is 90 degree above the x-axis, which magnitude is also 3 meters. We want to add these two vectors. So let's write axis is equal to vector x comma y comma z. All right. So x. So since it is like 30 degree. How can I show that? All right. So it is 30 degree. This is x-axis. It is 30 degree above. All right. So that this one has an x component. So x component is, think about it. This is 30, 60, and 90. So x component is x root 3. So x is 1.5 and root 3. 1.5 root 3 is 2.6. Excellent. Y. Now let's think about the y. The y is x because this is 2x. All right, according to 30, 60, 90. Ratio of 30, 60, 90. So then this one has to be what? 1.5. How 1.5? Because 2x is equal to 3x is equal to 1.5. Correct, you got it. 1.5. Alright, z is 0. We don't deal with z. Not yet. Alright, now I'm going to copy and paste. Let's see. First, let's see what this is going to give us. It's already 30 degree. Yeah, it's already 30 degree. Imagine an x-axis, then it is 30 degree. Alright, let's copy and let's write arrow, and then in the parentheses write axis is equal to vector xyz. Now be careful this time. This time I have two. This is x-axis. Let's call this skinny guy x-axis, and this is y-axis. And on the y-axis there is a vector b. So the vector b lies on the y-axis. That means vector b is what? What is the magnitude of vector b? X is 0. Y is 3. Because the magnitude is 3. And z is of course 0. Let's see now how it looks like. Voila. This is vector A, which is 30 degree above the x-axis. This is vector B, which is 90 degree above the x-axis. Okay, wonderful. Now what are we gonna do? We're gonna add them. Sum equal arrow axis equal a dot axis plus b dot axis. Alright, let's see what we get. Alright, that's it. Now we want to find the magnitude of the resultant. Sum dot axis. Alright, let's see. Oops, error. So I think we forgot a parenthesis. So let's go and fix it. We forgot a parenthesis. So let's run it. And there you go, 5.2. So the magnitude, well, we got 5.26 other way. You remember, we got 5.2 using the geometry, we got 5.2 using the trigonometry, we got 5.2 using the parallelogram, we got 5.2 using the law of cosine, we got 5.2 using the law of sine, we got 5.2 using the distance formula. Now finally we got 5.2